Hey there, Tom with Acme Overland. We wanted to give you a quick update on one of our vehicles we're building. This is going on that Isuzu FTR platform. If you scroll back a video or two, you might see it in our links. But this living space will live on that chassis in the end. So we wanted to just give you a quick update on where we are with things. And I'd say we're probably 80% complete with this portion of it. So we're eyeball deep in electrical, eyeball deep in plumbing and whatnot. This vehicle is using a fuel-fired cooktop, oven, robust water system, 100 gallons of water, actually a little bit more than that. And then there is a whole bunch of other accessories we've got built. There'll be a bumper you'll see there, incinerating toilet, kind of all the bits and pieces. So, and this panorama window that is currently looking at a cinder block wall, but we'll have a cool view once it's all done. So, join us, take a tour around, and if you have any questions, feel free and let us know. Thank you.